Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another Christmas project. In today's tutorial, we're going to make a garland that looks like Christmas lights made out of fabric and felt. Hang it on your Christmas tree, across your mantel, or even your entryway table. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com and check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, color photos, and the printable template. Or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device and then print out just the template page. All right, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need fabric, matching felt, ribbon, cord for hanging, and don't forget the printable templates. I'll add links down below of the products I'm using today. First, place a piece of fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down. On top, place the coordinating color of felt and align it on one end. Fold the other half of the fabric on top of the felt with the right side of the fabric facing up. Arrange the light templates on top of the stack, leaving plenty of space in between. Pin the templates in place and rough cut around them about 1/2 inch to 1 inch from the paper's edge. Stitch each Christmas light by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper. Use scissors to trim about 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch outside the stitching line. If you're using fabric scraps instead, place the right side of the fabric facing down, place the felt on top, and place the other piece of scrap fabric on top with the right side of the fabric facing up. Center the template on top, pin it in place, and stitch around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper, and use scissors to trim 1/8 to 1/4 inch outside the stitching line. Follow the same steps to make lights from the rest of the fabric and felt. To make the light bulb tops, cut the ribbon into 3-inch lengths. Fold the ribbon in half, making a loop, and place the raw edges of the loop on the top of the front and back of the light. I like to use a glue stick on both sides of the light to provide a temporary hold. Stitch near the raw edge of the ribbon to hold the loop in place, and stitch loop tops to all the Christmas lights. Place a finished light over the cord and slide it to the midpoint. Place the next light along the cord about 1 to 2 inches from the first light. Continue to place lights to the left and right and adjust them as needed. Tie loops on each end of the cord for hanging. If you find your ribbon loop slides too much on the cording, add an additional stitching line on the ribbon for a tighter fit. And just like that, just that fast, you have a unique Christmas light garland to hang somewhere in your house for the Christmas holiday. See you next time with another project.